Guys, welcome to the Cocoa Delicious cooking channel featuring moi, Chef Indy. Today I'm going to be preparing a loaf of Irish soda bread. That's what I said, Irish soda bread. I love a good loaf of bread, and I do not have any problem with what kind I'm going to have. And today it's going to be the Irish soda bread. I made my first loaf of Irish soda bread when I was in culinary school, and I asked myself then, how was it that I missed this? Because it's delicious if it's made properly. The loaf I'm going to make today will have raisins in it, which I believe is traditional to Irish soda bread. And another secret ingredient that I'm going to add will be just 1 tablespoon of canola oil. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel. Also, for the recipe itself, go to the more information bar at the bottom, and you can find the entire recipe and directions. However, they're going to be in video as well, so either way you'll get them. If you want to know more about me, you can check me out on Amazon.com, and you can check out my cookbook. This is the Confections of a Pastry Chef, a self-published cookbook with several delicious recipes that you can make year-round. Also, recipe conversions, a couple of pictures and whatnot. And you can download this on Kindle. Of course, I'm going to make a shameless plug for my cookbook because I wrote it. But the recipes are also tried and true. So as long as you follow the recipes and the directions, and I did put step-by-step directions in the cookbook. As you can see, this is a recipe here for Lee's upside down pineapple cake, and it gives you all of the ingredients as well as instructions on how to prepare that and have that cake turn out the same way every time you cook it. So check it out, guys. In the meantime, let's get started with this recipe. I can't wait because the kitchen is going to be smelling like fresh baked bread. So stay tuned. Hey guys, thank you for staying with me for so long. Yeah, you probably been hanging out for about maybe 10 minutes, right? But I appreciate it. I appreciate the company and I appreciate the viewership. The bread is ready. I've cut it. Check it out, check it out. That's my Irish soda bread and it is delicious. I'm going to add a small pat of butter to a small piece. Let me grab myself a little piece. I can't really get down because I'm on screen. I'm doing a video here. So I don't want to be talking to you with my mouth filled with bread. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of butter on here. And I'm going to taste it. Nice and crunchy. The raisins are sweet. They're soft because they've been soaked, as you know in the recipe. It says soak your raisins in some warm water and drain them. The bread is delicious, let me tell you. 40 minutes to bake, from about an hour to mix and then bake, and then another 20 minutes to cool, and you have some bread. This is a nice breakfast bread, so you could serve this. It doesn't cut like traditional bread, but you can slice it and add butter and jam to it. So, thank you for hanging out with me today, and until the next time we meet, thank you for tuning in to the Coco Divalicious cooking channel. Please subscribe below, and also the recipe is stated in under more information. So feel free to go there, get the recipe, demo it yourself, check it out. All comments, critiques, and anything else you might want to say. If you want to say hey, that's fine too. I appreciate it. Thank you and have a lovely, lovely week.